Hey, champ, it's tough, man. I couldn't make out heads or tails. I heard a little bit of champ. That's what I heard. I heard a little bit. My Watergate is tore up out there, man. My Watergate, I couldn't make heads or tails. Champ, it's rough. Come out.
Wild dog, wild dog, wild dog, wild dog, wild dog. Tell Champ to stand around and shut up, wild dog, go.
Right, Wild Dog took that key, man. Wild Dog took that key. Hey, Wild Dog, you took that key out there, man. That's the only one I could pull out was Wild Dog 817. Bye, bye, bye. That was a rough one, champ. And I could hear you going champ, and I heard everybody firing down. So that was a rough one out there. Break.
You tell that boy Wild Dog, say, don't give me no back talk. Just shut his big fat mouth. Tell the Wild Dog, say, don't give me no back talk. Just shut his big fat mouth. 817 Wild Dog, go.
Contact Wild Dog. He said, don't give you no back talk. Hey, Wild Dog, you took that key, man. Hey, Wild Dog, you took that key on my Watergate. Break. Bye, Wild Dog. Somebody mixing it up with you, man. Hey, Wild Dog. Somebody, I think out of Memphis, Tennessee. I'm not sure, man. Somebody out of Memphis, Tennessee messing it up out there. Come on.
Hey, it's cool. How you been doing?
Right there, champ. Take it, champ. I heard a 24 in there talking around the mini grass too out there, man. We're bumping on you later. Champ. And 24, 817, Mobile gone. And here I come, champ. Champ. Tell the mini grass, man, it's going to make them work real hard. Hey, champ, tell the mini grass, we're going to make them work real hard. Take it, champ, in Indiana, 817, Mobile gone. Wild Dog, you on the mall right now. Wild Dog, you put that mall right back where I can get it. Hey, Wild Dog, you put it right where I can get it. Wild Dog, 817, Mobile gone.
Nah, you tell Champ his box ain't big enough, man. So call me back when you get a little bigger box. I'll be right here. Tell Champ his box is not big enough. Wild Dog, go. 817, David, Buckeye, go.
Right there, Big Meth. We got Little David gone right there too. Champ and Wild Dog. I got 3 of the loudest skangabangers in my radio that break.
Tell the Wild Dog, drive that bus so they get on the back of this cat, make bus, they can drink